Check out this insane wallet if you're in the look for stacking serious cash. Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly how to make it happen. I spent months glued to my screen trading meme coins non-stop, but I got tired of gambling on sketchy projects. Then I discovered this method. Now I can turn $100 into $500, sometimes even $11,000 in just seconds. The key is that you can repeat this method as much as you want. That's how I've been printing money so fast. Here's the truth no one tells you. The real money isn't in trading meme coins, it's in launching them. The big players figured this out long ago, and now we need to get in. Sure, you could go the pump.fun route like everyone else, but if you scroll through that list, you'll see hundreds of new tokens every hour. Way too saturated. Luckily, there's a smarter play. Listen up. Raydium is our secret weapon. While everyone's fighting for attention on pump.fun, we can launch our coins where the real players operate. The technical barrier keeps the trash out, which means bigger projects and fatter profits. You might be thinking, how could I use this without coding? I'll reveal how to bypass that requirement entirely. Launch your token like a pro and attract deep-pocketed investors. I've been crushing it with this method, and today I'll prove it by doing a live launch from scratch with a brand new wallet. Struck gold with tokenclub.fun. Finally, a way to launch on Raydium and PumSwap without coding headaches. The process is stupid simple. Just answer a few prompts and you're done. After extensive testing, I can vouch for its reliability. But enough hype, let's roll up our sleeves and mint our coin. Start with the logo. You need something trending harder than Bitcoin in 2017. My formula: memes, celebrity hype, or gaming nostalgia. This time, I'm going with the Chinese Homer image, my personal lucky charm. Size it up to 500 pixels square, download, and you're set. Jump back into tokenclub.fun, sync your wallet from mobile or computer, whichever you are using like Phantom, Binance, Coinbase, etc., and confirm the authorization. Wallet attached. Click Create Token. Now fill in the token info. I'm naming it Chinese Homer Simpson. Chomer for short symbols. Add the logo. Hit Next. Great decimals and supply set as needed 9 and 1 billion. For description, the legendary Chinese Homer Simpson meme crypto. Continue. The tokenomics are configured. Don't touch them. The next section, social media links, are optional. I've skipped this every time with perfect results, as market ain't saturated right now. Here we got creator info. You can use Pump Fun or Raydium Launchpad info, but it'll cost 0.1 solana. Skipping it too. Now very important, keep all toggles enabled. Turning off Revoke Freeze, Revoke Mint will scare away savvy investors. I repeat, leave them on. This whole process costs 0.3 solana and hit Create Token. Putting my password LOL, confirm the transactions. Wait for it and boom, your token is live. You can now view on-chain data via SolScan, but we're not quite done. One final step remains, creating the liquidity pool. No pool means no trading. Open this button in the new window. Create liquidity pool. Select Create on Raydium. Start by linking your wallet by connecting button on top. Next up, establishing our meme coin as the base asset. Copy our token address from here, right there, inputting Comer as symbol and Chinese Homer Simpson as the name. Confirm with Add User Token to view your 1 billion total supply. Following meme coin standards, allocate 900 million to liquidity. Now we'll add the trading pair token, pick Solana from the options. Being the first liquidity provider means you can go maximum with complete safety. Just make sure to deduct 0.2 Solana for the Raydium fee. Choose the 2% fee tier, perfect for volatile coin. And now the moment of truth. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the transaction, and your creation is officially open for business. And we are live. The coin is already visible on Photon for public trading. Tracking your token is simple. Open Dex Screener and select any coin, copy your token address. Back on Dex Screener, overwrite the current address with yours in the URL and click enter. That's your real-time chart. Now play the waiting game for organic buyers, withdraw profits whenever ready. Those lightning fast first trades you see here, that's just bots executing their programmed strategies. Just hang tight and periodically check your Raydium portfolio. Stay on the standard view and you'll spot your position pop up below soon enough. These things take a few minutes to process. Alright guys, we got our first big buy going for $320. That's more than 2 Solana. This single-handedly pushed the growth of our coin so high that the market cap got all the way up to $800. Liquidity also got a huge bump to over $700. There are a few people selling over here, but don't panic. This also adds to the volume of our coin, which makes it look even better for investors. In just 4 minutes, a lot has happened. This launch is insane. After a couple of minutes, we got a few more buys, one for $14 and another one for $160. There's also a little one of just $2. All of them together add up quite a lot for our coin. Market cap is almost at $2,000 and liquidity is right at the door of $1,000. Let's keep waiting to get even better profits. The volume of this coin really made me go crazy. This just doesn't stop. There's a ton of people buying and selling and getting the volume of our coin off the charts. We got a big buy for almost $200. There was another one of $80. There's just a lot of volume here, and honestly, it's time to take our profit before it's too late. Head over to Raydium's portfolio tab, making sure your wallet is connected. Select standard view and your liquidity position will appear below. Hit the minus icon, max the slider to 100%, and note the Solana return amount. Finalize with remove liquidity and confirm. Remember, this is purely educational material about DeFi mechanics. Success notification received. Now witness the results. Open your wallet and check this out. I just made 4 times what I invested. Guys, remember this method is repeatable with high consistency, around 90% success probability. Now for full disclosure, this video is for educational purposes only. While this method has profit potential, we don't know for how long it'll keep working. Opportunities like this often have limited windows, so go ahead and use it while you can.